Quiet.
We are taking the R8 today. B-ball in style. Let's go. Oh! Alright guys, so Nordan broke his retainer, so he's leaving me to go to the Canadian. I'm not gonna see him the whole week, so we're gonna play a game of Faze, of course. Woo! To get a
One shot. I have to, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, it's act.
That. Oh. That. He said, I got my bag. Oh no, cut. That's a cut. That's a cut. What do you mean?
One-handed and your weak hand.
Let's go. But it's not that hard when you're a lefty and you try righty. It's harder the other way around.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
You're meant to be right-handed.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh my God.
The lighting was bad.
You got this. Offhand three-pointer. Oos. Oh my gosh. Okay. He's beat me before this shot and I absolutely hate it. I hate it so much. Oh my gosh. This is Nordan playing horse. Okay, it's my turn.
No, I'm having fun.
What do you...
That's an F.
I absolutely hate that shot so much. What is this? What is that? I don't even know what that was.
You have to do it mad fast and with swag, or else it doesn't count. Well, you don't even have to go that all out. What are you doing?
Say go fast. I hate short shots. I'm the worst at close shots. Avery Bradley beat me like that. He just shot close shots and I just totally did it horrible. It's gonna be the most amazing shot you've ever seen in your life. Bet. Ready? Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
This is for E.
That's fun. I'm not. If you hit this, I'm not gonna go for it. What the hell? There's no way I would ever make it. Well, that's money.
If I hit that while I was doing that, I would have been so hyped.
That would have looked so funny.
That's so close. My God.
I'm killing me.
1, 2, 3, 4. Set and shoot. Rock. Oh my God.
I get 2K. What's a butterfly twist? Oh.
That went in? It did? Are you sure? Huh? Alright, we're gonna watch the recording and see if that went in.
Told ya.
You did. Now, give me this.
Bro, my ankle, bro. I swear to God.
I got him. I crossed him. Look at it. Got him. Got him. Broke his ankles all day.
I think there actually might be a splinter still on my foot.
Ankles broken. Sensei broke his ankles. Look, look.
Bad, though?
Thumbnail. I broke his ankles.
Seriously, is that actually bad?